Grade 8. I'm your teacher in Computer 8. My name is Rinaldo B. Malimban. Our week 6 lesson is talk about the operating system timeline. Our objective is when we finish this chapter, we'll understand what an operating system is. Second, we will understand a brief story of operating systems. And we will understand the goals of operating systems. And the lastly is we understand the types of the operating system. Now, what is the work of operating system? In the operating system, that is the program that you interact with the computer. It runs on a computer and manages the computer processes, the hardware and the software. You cannot use the computer without an operating system. So they are created to make application running even if there is a hardware or software upgrade. It is the manager of the hardware and the distributor of its resources. So what is operating system? An operating system is a program that acts as an intermediary between a user of computer and the computer hardware. The goals of the operating system is to execute user program and make solving user problem easier and make the computer system convenient to use. And to use the computer hardware is an efficient manner. Other way from operating system is as shown in the image or OS is the trading bridge between the hardware and the software components of a system. It is managed the computer's memory, processes, and all its software and hardware. And these are the parts. The first from the operating system is the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, printer, application, and the hard drive. What are the functions of the operating system? In number one, it is providing a user interface, and it's also the running applications, support for the build programs, and to control the computer hardware. How to managing tasks of operating system? First is hardware. What is hardware? For you, what is hardware? A hardware is one of the types in the operating system. The second is the processor. The third is storage, the user interface, the system patch, the software, the memory, the application interface, the security update, and the formatting commands. What different types of the operating systems? The first type of the operating system is the real-time operating system or RTOS, the real-time operating system. This is used to control the machinery, scientific instruments, and the industrial systems. The second is single user and single task. As the name of implies, this operating system is designed to manage the computer so that one user can be effectively do one thing at a time. So the handheld of computers are a good example of a modern single user, single task of the operating system. Third is a single user multitasking. This is the type of the operating system most people use on their desktop and the laptop computers today. Microsoft's Windows and Apple's Mac OS or operating system platforms are both examples of operating systems that will let a single user have a several programs and the operation at the same time. The last is the type of operating system is the multi-user. In a multi-user, this is the system allows many different users to take advantage of the computer's resources or simultaneously. The operating system must make sure that our requirements of the various users are balanced and that each of the program they are using has sufficient and separate resources so that a problem when one or user does not affect all users. So in the Windows operating system, these are included the following Windows since 1985 or 1981 rather, from 1981 to MS DOS, 1985 Windows 1, 987 Windows 2, 1990 Windows 3, 1993 Windows NT, 1995 Windows 95, 1998 Windows 98, 2000 Windows 2000, from 2000 Windows Me, and 2001 Windows XP, 2007 Windows Vista, 2009 Windows 7, 2012 Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, and the last is the Windows 10 in 2015. And this is the figure of the following Windows. The first Windows are the MS-DOS or Microdesk. That is the old versions of the Microsoft Windows. Then in 1985 down to 1992 is also the opening of the Microsoft version 1.01 up to 2.0. Okay. So the Windows 1.0 and 2.0 since 1985 to 1992, the point and the click access to Windows was introduced the Windows 1.0 in 1985, and the desktop icons, keyboard shortcuts, and graphic support in Windows 2.0 in 1987. Next window is the Microsoft Windows in 1990 to 1994, Windows 3.0 to 3.1. The icons, performance, and the advanced graphics from 16 colors were improved. Microsoft added the File Manager, Print Manager, and Games features in this version. Another window is the Microsoft Windows 95 in August 1995. Windows 3.0 to 3.1. In Windows 95, since August, the ability to automatically detect hardware or plug and play is the main feature of this operating system. It has 32-bit applications that run faster than the older versions. Next is the Microsoft Windows 98. In June 1998, Windows 98. The active desktop, which included Internet Explorer and the operating system, is introduced in this version. It is supports of a USB and DVD. In Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional, built on NT technology in February 2000, Windows 2000. The boot in the DeX operating system option was removed in this version, Windows Me. It has the same features as Windows 2000 on February 2000. It can run software connected to the internet, intranet, and the network resources. It is called W2K in the Windows Me in Millennium Edition of September 2000. Another is the Microsoft Windows NT or Workstation 4.0. In 1993 down to 1996, Windows NT 3.1 to 4.0. So it is a support of multitasking, and it is a design for a server in the network and client of workstations in a Microsoft Windows NT. This is a built-in from the screen grab from HTTP simple from the Wikipedia organized by Wiki Windows NT. Next is the Microsoft Windows XP Professional on October 2001, Windows 2001. This Windows XP, the wireless of 802.11 security was introduced in this version. It is the best-selling operating system created by Microsoft. It has a faster, stable, and reliable operating system among the previous versions. Next is the Windows Vista. On November 2006, in Windows Vista. In Windows Vista, the version that can be detect hardware problems before they take place. It has a good security features from the threats. It has a faster startup time and low power consumption. Next is the Windows 7 Professional. On October 2009, Windows 7. In the Windows 7, the multi-touch support improved performance, faster startup time, Eurosnap, AeroShape, virtual hard disk support, Windows Media Center, and Internet Explorer 8 are the main features of the Windows 7. Next is the Windows 8 since 2012. In the Windows 8, the developers of this operating system has touchscreen in their minds. Redesigning this OS or operating system on a near stand on capability. So that is exclusively in the Windows 8, and the new figure of the Windows 8.1 in 2014, Windows 8.1. It can be start up in seconds, has a Metro design system interface that has the look of live titles, which are links to the applications, and which has a real-time update. So that is the window features, the parts of the window programming. In your laptop, this is based from your program, or what you call this, the operating system. In your laptop is Linux and Mac operating system. This is a process management that was 2001 to 2014 Mac OS X. It is a series of graphical user interface based on the operating system developed by Apple Incorporated for the Macintosh computer system. It was released in two series, Mac OS and OS X. This is a code of a Linux and the Mac OS operating system. In the Linux, this is the features that in the program is the Red Hat, the Fedora, the OpenSUSE, CentOS, Ubuntu, Backtrack, Linux, and Hasselblad, while the Mac OS X is the 10.0 Cheetah last March 24, 2001 up to 10.10 Yosemite on June 2, 2014. Again, an operating system is a program that lets you interact with the computer, and it runs computer in the manage of computer processes, the hardware, and the software. You cannot use the computer without an operating system. It performs the task of managing by the hardware, processor, storage, user interface, system patch, software, memory, application interface, security update, and formatting commands. So, again, that's the end of my topic, my lesson in week 6. For more updates, please monitor our e-class online learning system. Thank you and goodbye everyone.